how to hide online status on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can hide your online on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to actually hide your online status on WhatsApp, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is open the WhatsApp Messenger application here, and once you have done that, just tap on the three dots option from the top right hand side of the screen and go to this option here, settings. And once you go to this option right here known as settings, you'll find the option called privacy right here. Tap on privacy, and at the top you'll find last seen and online. So tap on last seen and online option here, and as you have done that, you can see who can see my last seen. Set this to nobody. So when you set who can see my last seen to nobody, who can see when I'm online, set this to same as last seen. And because your last seen is set to nobody, your online status, when you set them to same as your last seen, no one else will be able to view your last seen as well as your online status. This way you can hide your online on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.